Hi. So, how are you today? I mean, how to make a video. This is a video, how to make a video. And we talk about the setting. If you don't know setting, maybe you don't know school. Alright, let's get the setting. Here. Oh no. Wrong place. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Wrong place again. Oh, we're here. Okay, the video is how to make a video about this setting. You see, I snap my finger, I'll change into a different setting. So, how to make a video. So, use your phone, not your laptop. Use your phone, not the laptop. So, like and subscribe, please. Okay, this video, how to make a video. Sorry. How to make a video. Pick your setting, even your room or outside. Pick all of your settings, but pick everything you want. Can be there's a mirror or something, but here's the problem. See the lighting. So you got to turn on the lights. Turn on the lights to make a video. And have a first content. Make your video fun, exciting, and not pointless like my pet dog. Okay. It's simple. Just take one video, make it fun, and make it good as you like. Okay, don't worry about anything about this setting, but it's okay. Just make your own video, handle it, and don't make everybody says make more video to get more views. No, make one video that makes a lot of views. Alright? So this is what you wanted for your video. This is what you want for your video to be like. Not dark like this or this, just bright as a light. Okay, start with the basics. Get your video handle out so you cannot be the video. Sorry. Okay. Make your video fun, or you want some animated video, so like and subscribe, and I will make another video for you. Okay? Okay. Bye.